Yo, 2012 Ford Escape. This hoopty's got no blower speed. I got nothing. I think it's a blower motor. The blower motor's easy enough to find. It's right under the glove box, right here in the corner, kind of by this fuel reset panel. And I suppose one test I can do is a smash test. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try something else. I gotta get this connector off. There's a push. You gotta push in on this connector. And take it out. You can see that. I'm gonna take a good look at it and make sure that these connectors aren't all burnt. I got my connector here. I'm gonna pin this with just a little chunk of copper wire. I'm gonna test this with a test light. Power, ground, shouldn't matter what side you use. I got power going to it, so I know I got a bad blower motor. If it's not the blower motor, it could be a resistor too, and that's up under this glove box. You open up this glove box right here, and you can see right there, that's your resistor. There's a couple, I don't know, probably 5.5 millimeter bolts on it. But I don't have to do that. Well, this job should be a piece of cake. There's two little tabs right here you push in on, and I should be able to get this piece of plastic out of here. And I can just turn this counterclockwise. Actually, I turned it clockwise. The blower motor falls right out. I got a new blower motor here. It comes with this plastic piece I gotta take off. And I can just stick this back up in here. Ow. Thing wasn't turned all the way. Make sure it's turned all the way. Yep, that goes back in. Boom, blower motor. Okay, bye.